Hi, I'm Brett, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to simulate mioDAQ on your computer. To start, I'm going to open up the hardware configuration utility. I'm going to press the Start button and just search for hardware configuration utility. Now, if you're familiar with Macs, the hardware configuration utility is a new version of Macs that we're starting to roll more and more support into. Now, with the hardware configuration utility open, I've got my computer right here. That's the computer name, USA USLT. It's a Precision 3591. And you can see that I do have a real-life mioDAQ connected to my laptop. But what if I want to simulate one? I can click this plus button to add hardware. And I can click on the Simulated tab. And now you can see I've got the full catalog of NI hardware devices that I can add to this machine. I'm going to search USB-6 for, I'm going to do something different than what I have on the desk here. So I'm going to type in 51. I could change the name if I wanted to. So maybe I'll just do that. New NI USB 6451, click on Add. And there you have it. So now the configuration utility, the computer, for all intents and purposes, thinks it has a mioDAQ installed on it called new NI USB 6451. And for those of you that are familiar with Macs, I can open this up, and you'll see that the configuration utilities are connected. So I made one in the new NI hardware configuration utility, and if I open up devices and interfaces in Macs, you can see there is my new NI USB 6451. And that is how you simulate a mioDAQ on your computer.